Howdy, howdy everybody. I like to talk with my hands when I'm in this vehicle. Don't know why. It is still Wednesday. We over here getting us some cash at the ATM. I found us a deal on Craigslist. Really sketchy. And it's a bunch of speakers, so he's wanting for 8 cases of them. He's wanting $230 and they're selling on eBay for like $50 plus shipping per pair. So I'm not gonna say no. I gotta drive on some county back road out in the middle of nowhere to pick this stuff up. So we're recording this, 1 for evidence, and 2 in case we need to. So I'm gonna pull out some cash and we'll get back at y'all here. So just some backstory real quick while we heading over here. I seen this ad on the Craigslist and for these speakers. Looked them up on eBay. They said none listed, but there's 2 sold, $50 a piece. And I said, heck, I need to buy them. And it had 2 phone numbers, should call Scott. So I called this old boy up. I said, hey, is this Scott? And he said, no, what you need? I said, well, I seen an ad on Craigslist. He said, oh, yeah, I'm Scott. Red flag number 1. Okay? Listen, red flag number 2, his transmission's out in his truck. We got to meet him up here at his house. Listen, if you ain't no Kung Fu expert like me.
You're now a proud owner of one of Diamond Dave's and Ninja Teaching Flex. I didn't have to see the sign right there. Come on in here, Ninja. This here's my Ninja at Diamond Dave's Ninja School.
This ain't a good idea for you to do. We'll catch up to y'all here in a minute.
Just hang with us.
Way out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna tell you we out here. We ain't got no cell service.
She's in the tree line.
There's a deer all around us. Yeah, this looks promising.
Oh boy.
Let me zoom y'all out just a little.
One lane road ahead.
Alrighty guys and gals, so it is the next morning and y'all check. So we went over there, we finally found the guy last night on the side of the road. He had all the boxes in the back of his truck, so all we had to do is pull up, pay him, throw the boxes in the car, and off we went. And I think we got some pretty amazing stuff, so I'm gonna show it to you real quick. So we got all these right here. These are Majestic Diamond HD 55 TBI sound speakers. We got, these are all white glossy. These are white glossy up until here, and then these are all black matte, and then them down there are all white glossy as well. I'm thinking we'll be able to get $55 per box. Alrighty, so here's the story, the scoop. So I seen this ad on the Craigslist, but it says call and ask Scott. Ask for Scott. So I called this number. I said, yes, is this Scott? He says, no, what do you want? I said, well, I seen an ad on Craigslist and you had this number, you know. And he said, oh, well then yeah, I am Scott.
Red flag number 1.
Yeah, I said, okay. I said, this is sketchy. I said, hey, I'm wanting them speakers. I said, how many cases you got? He said, I got 8. I said, okay, cool, I'll take them all. He said, well, I'm at the store right now and my truck's transmission went out, but if you can come to my house, I can meet you right there around my house. I said, what's your address? So he give it to me and everything, where to meet him at the intersection of one county road and another. So I said, okay, that'll be fine. And I took precautions, okay? I know the intro of this video made it out like it was a joke, and we were just trying to have fun with it, but I took precautions. I gave people the address where I was going. I screenshotted a picture of the map. I screenshotted a picture of the Craigslist app, the guy's phone number, and multiple people knew where I was going. I know this area super well, so I mean, I knew where I was going. Everybody else did too. So we started heading out there, and I was talking to the guy. I said, hey, I'm almost there. And then he says, okay, well, when you get to this road, go past the mailboxes. And then he broke up. We dropped service, and all I heard was mailboxes and go to asphalt.
Mailboxes on the left.
Yeah. So we get down this road and I see the mailboxes on the left on this little dirt road, and I said, oh yeah, that's got to be what he was talking about, you know. So we start up this little dirt road and we're going up through there, buddy, and it is looking rough.
Sketchy.
So we went on up there for a little bit, and I got worried, so I said, we're going to turn around, just forget this, you know. So we turned around and started heading back out, and I was kind of going kind of fast, you know, trying to get out that area. And topped over his hill, and there was some horses in the road, so I had to slam on the brakes, you know. So my God, I about hit them. And it's my kinfolk. Unbelievable. Out there in that bad area, in the middle of nowhere, I run into my kin. Boy, I was glad to see them, and I asked them, I said, hey, I'm looking for this guy to buy some speakers. And come to find out, they live right there on the corner. And lo and behold, not 100 yards past him at the end of the road, there was a truck sitting on the side of the road. I said, I bet that's him right there. So we pulled up there and met him right out in the middle of the open, you know, on a busy road, intersection. And stopped, give him the money, threw him in the car, and that was it.
It was sketchy all around, though.
So, if you do deals like that, I mean, they're going to come up. Everybody's going to have deals like this. Try to meet in a public place if you can. If they want you to, I won't go to somebody's house. I'll meet them out on a public intersection like I did. But let people know where you're going. Take all the precautions you can. Where you going? Give them a time when you should be back. You know, try to talk to somebody on the phone while you're there doing the deal.
And also, don't do it at 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah. But it all turned out good for us, thank the good Lord. And we got some good stuff. So, all in all, it was a good time.
Although the road was pretty sketchy, there were some pretty weird signs.
Yeah, I'll throw some pictures up or in here, and you'll be able to see them. Like this one you're seeing now. We thought that one was pretty funny. We seen some deer, so I mean it was a fun trip. Anyhow, we got some orders going out on the eBay today. So let's get over here. We got these orders going out today. We had one viewer sale, which we're very grateful for. And we had a sale on Poshmark, so let's get over here and show them to you.
Okay, so we got 5 orders going out on eBay today and 1 on Poshmark. We're going to go ahead and pull the first one. It's a Mamma Mia DVD. I didn't have to go very far. For this, we got $10.21 plus shipping. Next is some L'Oreal powder.
And these are going out to
Eileen.
Yeah.
So for this, we got $5.59. So these 2 pairs, she paid $19.25, and this was $5.59. We're going to combine the shipping for you.
Eileen, we greatly appreciate the support you bought from us numerous times. She said in her message she could have went to somewhere else to buy this stuff, you know, but she chose to come here because of our little singing duet. In case you missed that, I'm going to insert the clip.
Thank you for being a friend.
Oh, yeah.
Travel down the road and back again.
Hey, so we started from the bottom, now we're here, girl.
It's true.
Oh, yeah.
Pride and a confidence.
This is my part right here. Ooh,
So now we're going to pull 2 creep away, however you want to say it, creams. Uh-oh. We only got 1?
This is the moment we realize we've screwed up.
Oh shoot. Cut that out. Honey, we really don't have but 1.
How's that happen?
Oh, nope, never mind.
Look at that, buddy. Woohoo!
Now we're out of it. That had me worried for a minute.
We thought our numbers was off.
So for these 2, we got $13.99 plus shipping. Now we're going to pull a Geronimo film.
God, I about ran in that pole.
And
I
I don't
about
have
pulled
the
a
camera.
Courtney.
And it's right here on top, as you can see. Pretty awesome art.
8mm. Untested.
And
Of course.
for this, we got $11.96 plus shipping. And last but not least, our Poshmark order. It is a Pillsbury scrub dish soap holder, however you want to.
Scrubbing pad holder.
Yeah.
Wash rag holder.
Whatever you want to call it. I labeled my box Pillsbury.
Hmm.
You hold that. Ooh.
If I remember on Major Pain, if I touch your stomach, you gonna do like the Pillsbury Doughboy and go woo.
You know, you remind me of the Doughboy. If I poke your stomach, we'll make it go ooh.
And for this, we got $16 plus shipping. I took an offer on that, which I'm okay with. We've had it for a while. Okay, we just had a sale as I was boxing up orders, packing orders, whatever you want to call it. And we sold a Remington strike set for $23.06. Actually, right here. Packaging's a little rough.
It looks new though, like it ain't never been used. I mean, I don't even think it's. I know it's never been opened because it's sealed right there and right there.
It just looks really rough.
That was good.
Supposed to go there.
No, there wasn't. I looked.
Okay.
Unless some nails were. I don't know. Anyhow, we sold it. They seen the pictures. If they don't like it, send it in for a refund. A refund!
The next day.
Alrighty, guys and gals. So we got 12 orders going out on eBay today. You would have just seen our orders from yesterday. So let's get in here and pull it. We got more Lou the Road going out today. So we're going to go ahead and try to pull all of it at once. We got to go M5. We need A35 and A27.
It's gonna be, I think, this one.
Four.
Mhm.
Let's see here. 3, 9,
It's black.
4.
Yep.
Alrighty, so we got 3 pieces of Lou the Road going out this morning. The first one right here. This sold for $12.59 plus shipping. That's a Lou the Road Carly. The next one is this one right here, and this is a Irma size medium. This sold for $12.25 plus shipping. And then this is a skirt,
Azure skirt.
Azura skirt. This sold for $17.49 plus shipping. It's new with tag size small. So Lou the Road sales on eBay. Like I say, not big money. You ain't gonna get rich on it, but it does sell. So we're going to go ahead and throw that right here. This was our Poshmark sale, made by Gilligan and O'Malley. Just a t-shirt. This sold for $10 plus shipping. D1 and get a CD player. So y'all come with me. D1. Here we go. CD player right here. So this Linux Sound CD player, had this forever. Finally sold for $9.97 plus shipping. Now we got to get a Warcraft book out of A1. Right here. This is Warcraft BattleNet 2 edition, and what's the year? 1999. And for this, I wouldn't recommend picking it up, but it sold for us for $3.32 plus shipping. B1, we got to get some Dymo stamps. These right here, they're not used, they have been opened. They're the 30915, just the little bitty postage stamps from Dymo, and these sold for $6.96 plus shipping. 7 Magic School Bus VHS. Let me grab them and I'll come back. Alrighty, so we sold this lot of 7 Magic School Bus VHS tapes. See them here? I used to love this show whenever I was growing up. Anyhow, these sold for $12.77 plus shipping. Now on J1, we sold an Angel. This one right here. It's a tree topper. Goes on top of your Christmas tree like this and lights up real pretty. This right here sold for $15.75 plus shipping. Christmas selling in May. Sure is. Now we got to get a PS2 Slim on M2. Anyways, I just listed this. Sold for $9.97 plus shipping. It was broken. It's scratched up bad. So, that's fine. They paid the shipping on it, so we'll make a little off of it. This next one's another good one, an N1B. So this is the Mankind shirt. I'm gonna unfold it so y'all can see it. See this? It's from 1998. Here's the back of it. It says the man behind the mask. And this sold, it's on a Highland tag. See that there? And this sold for $66.46 plus shipping. So real happy about that one. Now on end two, we got to get a Oklahoma hat pin. It's going to be in my little box right here. Good luck finding it, Colton. Oh, here's my hat pins right here. Here it is, Oklahoma. So this little bitty hat pin right here, Oklahoma, goes on you, put it on your lapel, your book bag, your hat, like that, something other. And this sold for $8.88 plus shipping there. So that's all our orders going out today. Gonna get all this packed up and sent out. Luckily, it's all easy pack jobs. Alrighty guys and gals, so hopefully you enjoyed this hodgepodge of a video we've been filming. So we just tried to put it together the best we could, and that's what we ended up with. So
You got what you got.
yeah, we should be back to regular uploads now. We was at the car dealership all day yesterday, and so we couldn't film. And y'all probably seen my eye in that video.
My bad.
I got poked in it. Y'all can see it's healing up a little bit. Better.
I feel bad for it, so don't give me crap.
It's an accident. It was alright. So at least I ain't got the pink eye.
That's true.
Anyhow, should be back to regular scheduled stuff starting today. So back to the same day filming and uploading. And we do thank each and every one of you for subscribing. Y'all got us over 500.
Yay!
Which is awesome, and we thank each and every one of you. And there will be a giveaway video coming out soon for that. So
And we may do 2 or 3 giveaways.
I don't know.
So just we'll
Thank
let y'all
y'all
know.
again. We appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it.
And also smash that subscribe one more time if you have, sharing it or something. Also hit the notification bell.
Yeah, we'll do all that stuff you're supposed to do. I don't know. Anyway, just do whatever you want, I guess. So yeah, we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow.